My name is Stacey Steed. I'm 33 and I'm currently studying level 3 complementary therapy. I have chosen complementary therapy as a career path. It is something that I've always wanted to do since I was about 16 or 17, and then obviously becoming a young mum to 3 children, my life got put on hold, and last year I decided the time was right and applied for Coleg Gwent. I chose Coleg Gwent because they accept the mature students, and since being out of education in 2003, I thought that this would be the next best step for myself. I found this experience brilliant. Everybody is so supportive. You don't feel singled out because you're a mature student. There are various ages throughout the college, so it's a great experience. I found returning back to education quite daunting, to be honest with you. Obviously having children in education as well, it's a bit weird going to school with your children, but I love it. I think I've thrived massively since starting in September. My confidence has grown, and I just feel like it's the best thing I ever did. I wish I never stopped. I definitely recommend anyone who wants to join this course to go for it. It's liberating, it's something new to learn every day. The treatments are never the same. You get to help people, and I can't wait to start the next chapter with complementary therapy.